I know you want pop, you want rock and roll.
You want it?
This year's remix
Got some phonics.
I got hop, I got rockin'
Electronic
beats. I got hip hop music with the future flow.
What's up, this is Multi video bringing you another Xbox 360 repair guide. This time I'm gonna help you out with repairing the cannot read disk problem on your Xbox 360 drive. So the first thing you'll need is to open up your 360. You need actually only need a Torx 10 screwdriver. You can watch the other video, put the link right there, and let's start doing this. So you need some glue, some evil glue and paper towels if something goes wrong, and some pliers. So pick up your drive, take it out of the case, and you're gonna see this ring. I don't know if it could be on a stick or something on other drives, but what you're gonna do is to pop this open by pushing down pliers or something underneath. Just open this metal piece. It's kind of hard to get off the first time, so just keep fighting. So here's a common problem. When you take this out, you will see that there's no magnet down there, so there's nothing to hold the disc in place. The magnet is stuck right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue it back, because this thing has 3 legs, probably snapped or something. So my glue says I'm gonna stick it to both sides, but I'm not gonna do that probably. Where am I? What the heck? I'm gonna push down some glue right that hole. There we go. Some glue on this thing. I'm gonna quickly take my paper towel and remove the access glue. Now you can't see anything because I'm working behind camera. So there we go. You have the glue is on. Wow, that's out of focus. Oh, whatever. So when it's not sticky, I'm going to put this on. I'm gonna put it on now. What you're gonna do is just press down hard. Wow, that's some glue. Take your paper towel. That's something that is really necessary when you're working with glue, lasers, and not a good combination. Try to spin this around. Wow, that's sticky. Not a little epic fail here. Hopefully you won't see it. Press down. So scrape some glue. You can use hot glue and stuff, I believe. I don't know if that holds so good, but it should work. It's fine. I just wanted to be a little extreme and take the heavy duty glue that I totally regret right now, because it wasn't the smartest idea. But there we go. It's in place. I'm gonna wait and try to start it for a while to let it dry, because you don't want it to pop out or get in wrong position or something. Yeah, we're done. You're just gonna put this back and this metal piece back. All it has to glue on, so you don't have to glue it again. It's really heavy glue. But there isn't 100% that this will fix your drive, because your drive could be broken in other ways, like laser, dust, and other things. But probably we will come up with tutorials for fixing those too. So, hope this helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. If you wonder something, just PM us. And yeah.